So right now we're at Wallace's Boat Marina, and as you can see, it is pretty flooded. Right now we're about half an hour after high tide, and it looks like, according to my man Chase here, who was helping me behind the camera today, it looks like most of it's just kind of hitting the Carolinas today, and tonight and tomorrow is when it's supposed to really rain. So when we come back tomorrow is when we should really see, you know, a rise in this water in this area really flooded. So for now, let's go and take a look at Danny Point, and then we'll make our way over to Buckrow and see what the ocean's doing. But yeah, Hurricane Florence Day 2. Not much yet at Hampton Roads, not much. But yeah, now let's see what Danny Point looks like. Chase, what are you doing?
All right, so I'm a child, so I want to get to that dock without getting my feet wet.
Okay.
Playing, like, you know, the lava game, like the floor is lava, except with water. And instead of a living room, it's in the middle of a hurricane.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Only getting deeper. Getting real deep now. I don't think you're getting close. I'm down where you're trying to get. About shit level. It's okay. Thanks for tuning in on Chase Does Dumb Shit. Yeah, that's what I feel like. I feel like I should have your phone.
That's enough dumb shit. Hey, this is Wavy. Hey, this is Sliced Hams Productions. We're now checking out Buckrow Beach. We're gonna go around and just see how bad it's actually affecting the coastline. Today it's not supposed to be raining till about 2 hours from now, but it's already flooding in most places. So this is gonna be something good.